and welcome to this math tutorial. Now let's find the value of x. We have if x raised to the power of 3x minus 15 equals 9 raised to the power of 99. Okay, so what I'll do first is I'm going to factor out 3 because 3 is a common factor in the exponent of x. Okay, all right, so that will be the first thing. So we have x raised to the power of 3x minus 15 equals to 9 raised to the power of 99. Okay, so this will be x raised to the power of 3 into x minus 5 equals to 9 raised to the power of 99. So I'm going to raise both sides or multiply the powers, okay, on both sides by 1 over 3 because I need to get rid of 3. Okay, multiply the powers on both sides, okay, by 1 over 3. So that means we're going to have x raised to the power of 3 into x minus 5 multiplied by 1 over 3 equals to 9 raised to the power of 99 multiplied by 1 over 3. So 3 we cancel 3. So we'll be left with x raised to the power of x minus 5 equals to 9 raised to the power of 99 divided by 3. That will be 33. So this will be 9 raised to the power of 33. All right, so what to do next is I'm going to express or write 33 as a product of its prime factors. That is 3 and 11. Then I will write 9, okay, in terms of base 3. So that this will be x raised to the power of x minus 5 equals to 3 raised to the power of 2 raised to the 3 times 11. Okay, this is 3 multiplied by 11. So this is why I can now switch the powers. Okay, because if we use what we call power rule for exponents, okay, we have a raised to the x, okay, raised to the y. This will be a raised to the x times y, which will be a raised to the xy. Okay, so this is what we call the power rule for exponents. Okay, power rule for exponents. Power rule for exponents. So I'll do that in this case. So I'm going to switch, I'm going to bring this here and take this out. So this will be x raised to the power of x minus 5 equals to 3 raised to the power of 3, okay, raised to the 2 times 11. 2 times 11. Now we know that 3 raised to the power of 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So we know already that 3 raised to the power of 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. So now the equation now becomes x raised to the x minus 5 equals to 27 raised to the, now 2 times 11, that will be 22. So this will be 22. Now this is where we need to observe the equation and then do a kind of, it's more like a trick anyway. It's a trick because when we look at the left hand side, the base is x, while the right hand side, the base is 27. Now the exponent of x is x minus 5. Okay, so which means the value of x, okay, which is the base, minus 5. Okay, so which means we need now, so which means if x is 27, so what is 27 minus 20, now 27 minus 5, will it give us 22? The answer is a yes. So that means that this will be x raised to the power of x minus 5 equals to 27 raised to the power of 27. So we can see here that the base are now equal, because if you say x equals to 27, so which means 27 minus 5 must be what? 22. So therefore the value of x will be what? 27. Now let's quickly verify our answer. Now let's verify. Now we are given x raised to the power of 3x minus 15, which is on the left hand side. Will it be equals to 99 raised to the power, 9 raised to the power of 99? Okay, so now we have our value of x to be 27. So we say 27, okay, raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 27 minus 15. Okay, now will it be 9 raised to the power of 99? Okay, so we have again 27 raised to the 3 times 27. That will be 81, then minus 15. Okay, are we going to get 9 raised to the power of 99? So now 11 minus 5. Okay, so in this case, we have 11 minus 5. That will be 6. Okay, we have a remainder of 7. 7 minus 1. This is 66. Okay, will it be equals to 9 raised to the 99th? Okay, now in this case, we can see here that this is same thing as when we write 3 raised to the power of 3, which is 27. Okay, raised to the 66th. Now, will it be equals to 9 raised to the power of 99? Now, now we can also express or write 66 as a product of 2 and 33, okay? Because 33 is not a prime factor. So, which means 3 raised to the power of 3, okay, raised to the 2 times 33. Will it be equals to this? Okay, so now I'm going to switch again the same way I did here. So we're going to have 3 raised to the power of 2 raised to the 3 times 11. No, 3 times 33. Will it be equals to 9 raised to the power of what? 99. So this is 9. 3 times 33. That will be 99. Okay. So which means the left hand side is equals to the what? Right hand side. And we just verify or show that we just verify our answer. And we've come to the end of this tutorial. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye bye.